Join me on a visit to Vancouver's hidden gem, Steveston. Steveston is located in the Richmond area of Vancouver and it's approximately 6 kilometres from Vancouver Airport. We really enjoyed our visit to Steveston. It has this nice harbour area with ice cream shops, souvenir shops, cafes, just a really nice place to visit. We arrived around 9 AM on a weekday and had no issues finding on-street parking. One of the interesting places to visit in Steveston is the Gulf of Georgia cannery. This cannery was built in 1894 and used to be the leading provider of canned salmon in all of British Columbia. It's $13 for adults to enter, and you get a day pass so you can exit and you can re-enter as you wish. Another interesting attraction to visit in Steveston is the Steveston Tram Museum. This museum is free to enter and its main attraction is a fully restored tram car. This tram car dates back to 1912 and was one of the trams that originally ran on the tram lines around Richmond. Throughout Steveston there was just a wide range of shops. There was nice restaurants, fish and chips, ice cream shops. Steveston just had a really nice sort of small town feel, and you wouldn't realise you're so close to the sort of city of Vancouver. We enjoyed a lovely breakfast at the Britannia Brewing Company, which was next to the waterfront. Another great place to visit is the Steveston Museum, where you can learn all about the history of the fishing village of Steveston. Entry is free, and at the rear of the museum there's a Japanese fisherman's building. We visited Steveston on the day we were flying back to the UK. It was just a really nice place to visit for a morning, and it's only a short drive back across to the airport. I hope you enjoyed this short video, found the information useful. If you did, please consider a like and also subscribing to my channel. I will be posting many more travel related videos. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you in the next one.